Sorry. It's really hard to talk right now. I'm just really congested. Hi, Nex. How are you? Ah! What are you doing? Ah! Come with me right now. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, she's shit on my couch. Dude, I just took her out. I swear to God. You guys just saw me take her out to poop. And she just poops on my couch. I just took her outside. I just took her outside. I just took her. I'm gonna cry. Oh, please, Jesus. I just took her outside. I just took her outside and she shits. She shits on the couch. She shits on the couch. Why did you do that?
I challenge you to a staring contest. The loser has to eat the other's butt. I mean, okay.